How to log into your Binance account. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily log into your Binance account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. The first thing you need to do is open up your Binance app and you will be taken to the login page. And if you already have an account, you can directly log in. But if you don't have one, you can just create your Binance account from here. I already have my account, so I'm just going to go ahead and enter. So you'll have to enter your phone number or your email that's associated with your account, or you can directly continue with Google, or if your Telegram is connected, you can do that as well. I'm just going to enter my email address here. And once you enter email address, tap on next, and then it will ask you for your password. Now, if you have set up any passkeys, you can directly log in using your passkeys. But if you have not set it up, you can just enter your password. I'm just going to enter my passkey. And after you have entered your password, it will take a while to verify and you will directly be logged into your account. So if I tap on my profile, as you can see, I am successfully logged in. And if you have set up any two-factor verifications like your Authenticator app or verification via email, you'll just have to enter the code to log into your account. That's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys on the next one.